The 1964D Jefferson Nickel is one of the most misunderstood US coins, because while millions were struck, certain examples have sold for $6,000, $9,400, and even over $15,000 at major auctions when found in exceptional condition. Coins that look ordinary at first glance have shocked collectors once graded, proving that even a common-looking nickel can hold serious value. Support our effort, subscribe, like, and share so we can bring you more amazing coin videos and uncover hidden coin stories for you. Struck at the Denver Mint, the 1964D Jefferson Nickel was produced during a time of massive demand for coinage in the United States. The obverse features Thomas Jefferson with sharp facial details when well struck, while the reverse shows Monticello, Jefferson's historic home. The coin is composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it no silver value, which often causes people to overlook its true collectible potential. What separates valuable examples from ordinary ones is condition and strike quality. Collectors pay close attention to the steps of Monticello on the reverse. Coins with full steps, meaning 5 or 6 clear, uninterrupted steps, are extremely rare for this year. Jefferson Nickel graded MS66 with full steps has sold for $10,000 to $15,000, while lower mint state examples without full steps usually trade for much less. Even without full steps, high-grade coins still command strong prices. MS65 examples regularly sell for $100 to $300, while MS66 coins can exceed $1,000, depending on eye appeal and luster. Original surfaces, strong strikes, and clean fields dramatically increase desirability. Coins pulled from old rolls or mint-sealed bags have the best chance of reaching these grades. Error varieties also add excitement. Die cracks, off-center strikes, and plancher flaws are known for this issue and can bring premiums, ranging from $200 to several $1,000s, depending on severity. Professional grading by PCGS or NGC is essential, as authentication and certification often multiply a coin's value. The 1964D Jefferson Nickel represents the final year before major changes in US coin production and remains a favorite among modern collectors. It reminds us that rarity is not always about low mintage, but about survival in top condition. Carefully checking old nickels, especially uncirculated ones, can uncover coins worth far more than 5 cents. Even today, this nickel proves that patience, knowledge, and a careful eye can turn everyday change into a serious collectible.